हेलो एवरीवन ताले आज आम पेडागोजी एग्जाम रे बारंबार रिपीट होता क्वेश्चन गुड़ी को डिस्कसन करवा। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्वायर्ड मोटिव। ए भितर कोड़ा एक्वायर्ड मोटिव नुहे। हंगर ऑप्शन बी। तापरे स्टैनफोर्ड बिनेट टेस्ट मेजर्स एटा कौन मेजर करे इंटेलिजेंस। पेडागोजी इज द साइंस ऑफ टीचिंग। The word pedagogy means to educate, to lead the child. Pedagogy means to lead the child. The term PSRM in the development implies PSRM of full form perceptual skill, reasoning, numeracy. Psychology is the science of behavior. Which of the following is the dimensional teaching aid? ए भितर कोटा model. What type of evaluation identifies learning deficiencies and difficulty of the learner? Diagnostic evaluation. If a child has a mental age of 5 years, chronological age of 4 years, then what will be the IQ of the child? IQ कितने होगा? Mental age by chronological age into 100. 4 by 5 into 100. होगा 125. At the pre-primary stage, reading aloud while writing is given importance. This is based on which theory of learning? It is conditioning theory of learning. Which is not the tool for formative assessment in scholastic domain? Projects. The philosopher who for the first time mentioned the importance of sports in education was Aristotle. Special education is related to training special educational program for disabled. According to Piaget's theory of cognitive development, operational stage starts at the age of 7. Individual learn from his own mistakes. This statement is based on which theory of learning? Trial and error theory of learning. According to John Dewey, school must prepare students for present life. एटा पूरा इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। एटा को समस्ते बहुत भूल करती कहते फ्यूचर लाइफ किंतु प्रेजेंट लाइफ। एजुकेशन साइकोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ एजुकेशन। द डेफिनेशन वाज गिवन बाय E.A. Pill. Language of what is not necessary for imaginative thinking. Senses are the gateways of knowledge was emphasized by Rousseau. Which is a passive agency of socialization? Public library which is a passive agency. The term homeostasis was coined by Cannon. Sensation is a gateway of knowledge. This statement is language development. Who is known as father of behaviorism? J.B. Watson is the father of behaviorism. Who developed the first intelligence test? Alfred Binet. Which one is not an element of intellectual development? Tolerance. The most important quality of an effective teacher is a good motivator. The instinct theory of motivation. The instinct theory of motivation was given by M.C. Dougall. The best place of social development for a 12-year-old child is playground. Expectancy theory is a theory of motivation. Who proposed socio-cultural theory of cognitive development? Socio-cultural theory के लिए Vygotsky. ताले ये सरीगला 30 इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। या पर आम आउ गोटे सेट्रे आउ इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करिया। वीडियोटी को लाइक करंतु, आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, ता सहित वीडियोटी को निज सांग मान संगे बहुत संख्यार शेयर करंतु। थैंक यू।